I was going to make a big, longer, extended video on how to set up your brand new Rode Wireless Pros, but I just realized there's not that much to it. So let's just get right into it. Once you get your Rode Wireless Pros, you're going to connect them to your computer via your case, just like that with the USB-C cable. Plug that into your computer. You can go ahead and open up the case if you'd like and just make sure that everything is connected and it's all ready to go. But as soon as you open it up out of the box, you pretty much can just plug it in and you're good to go. You're going to go ahead and download Rode Central from the Rode website. And once you have it downloaded, plug it in, and then you're going to see your charge case, your Wireless Pro RX, the receiver, the Rode Wireless Pro TX for both the A unit and the B unit. And what we're going to do first, we just want to make sure that the firmware is up to date, and currently straight out of the box as of January 10th, 2024, this unit is currently up to date with its firmware version. We're going to start by going to the Wireless Pro RX, and these are my personal settings. You don't have to go with these, but if you do, great. If you don't, find your own. I personally like to go split routing. So when you click here, you can go merged, you can go split, you can go safety. So merged, both the A unit and the B unit, you're going to get both audio merged together. So it's basically a mono file. Both channels are in just a basically single channel situation or mono channel situation. If you go split, you'll have TX1 in your left ear, TX2 in your right ear, or you'll have TX1 and 2 in your left ear. And then the RX unit, you can actually plug your microphone directly into it, and that'll be a third unit, which is something you can always do. And that'll split the channels that way. Safety, it'll be your TX1 and 2 will be on the left side, and then your safety channel will be on the right side. Or if you have all three units firing, you'll have your primary on the left side and then your safety on the right. Personally, I'm just gonna go split. That's the best way to go for me. And then you're going to pretty much just leave everything as is. Like gain mode, you could do preset, headphone or headset. I just leave it at manual. Output gain is -12 dB. All this other stuff is great. Don't really need it. But yeah, let's just set auto as your backlight. And then for the Rode button, you can leave it whatever you want. I just left it at none. The Rode Wireless Pro is very just kind of set it and forget it. So this is pretty much as good as it gets here. In the TX, all we're going to do here is we're going to hit the gear and we're going to leave the gain assist set to auto. And then we always want to record. So that's all you're going to do. You're just going to click it to toggle, make sure that it shows auto. Dropout markers, yes. That's basically it. And then go make sure you do that for the other. Gain assist is set to auto. And then always record. And Bob's your uncle, you're set to go. That's basically it. Now, something that I personally like to do is I like to label my transmitters. So I will go TX1, TX2 on these units. So that way, every single time, if I want to make sure that my host is always TX1 and my guest is always TX2, that's what I'll do. So that way, physically, I know which mic is whose, because sometimes you might do multiple recordings and you don't know if you end up having to swap. There's that. Basically, that's it. All you had to do was download the app, RX, make it split recording, then go to TX, hit the gear, always on for recording. TX2, do the same thing, make sure the recording's always on, and that's it. 4 minutes, not too bad. Thank you so much for watching. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Can't wait to see you in the next video, but until then, I'm Kevin Lee.